With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so the question is on the screen right now, and the question is butane gas burns in air according to the following reaction, and the reaction is 2C2H10 plus 10O2 is changed into 10H2O plus 8CO2. Suppose the initial and final temperature are equal and high enough so that all reactants and product act as perfect gases. 2 moles of butane are mixed with 13 moles of oxygen as shown in the reaction also, and then completely reacted. Okay, find the final pressure if the volume remains unchanged and the pressure before reaction is P0. So let's start the question. Let's return the given things first. So in the question it is given that the initial temperature and the final temperature are equal. Temperature equal means no change in temperature, and the volume is also unchanged, no change in volume. So basically it is said that at time t equals to 0 means the time when butane and oxygen react to each other, that time 2C4H10 plus 13O2 at t equals to 0 there is 2 mole of butane and 13 mole of oxygen. Okay, but at time t equals to time, at any instant time, at t equals to t, any instant time t, then it is saying in the question that the butane and oxygen are completely reacted, means they are at time t there is 0 mole of butane and 0 mole of oxygen, and they will made 18 mole of H2O plus 8 mole of CO2. They react at time t, they completely react and make H2O and CO2. Okay, 10 H2O plus 8 CO2. These are the reactants at time t, and at time t butane is 0 mole and 13 and oxygen is also 0 mole because they are completely reacted, and the reactants are 10 mole water and 8 mole CO2. Understand this thing? Okay, now from ideal gas equation, ideal gas equation PV equals to nRT, and in the question it is given that temperature is remain constant, temperature is not changing, and volume is also not changed. That means and R is the universal gas constant, that means P is proportional to the N, and N is the number of moles, and we can also say that P upon N is equals to constant. Okay, now we can also write it as P initial upon N initial is equals to P final upon N final. Okay, now P initial is given in the question, which is P naught upon N initial. At initial there are 2 mole of butane and 13 mole of oxygen. That means N initial total is equals to 2 mole of butane plus 13 mole of H2O, that means 15 mole. Total moles are 15 at initial time. 15 mole is equals to P final, we have to find out, and N final, that is after reaction there are 10 mole of H2O and 8 mole of CO2. So the total mole at final is 10 mole of H2O plus 8 mole of CO2, that is 18 mole. Now solving or simplify this equation, we will get PF is equals to 6 by 5 P naught. That means our final pressure is 6 by 5 of its initial pressure. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.